From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Brian Mastro. Thank you for joining us here on CNET as we'll take a look at your forecast for the State College area. We'll start by taking a look at the weather headlines that we're tracking for the next few days. We will be having plentiful sunshine in central Pennsylvania over the next few days with very minimal clouds at all. And these will also be bringing some warm temperatures as will generally be in the low 80s for the next few days, bringing us some very beautiful weather for this time of year. However, we do have a chance of rain this weekend, so stay tuned for your 7-day forecast as we'll take a look at that as later on. So we'll start by taking a live look out here at Beaver Stadium. Like I mentioned, that plentiful sunshine. There's barely a single cloud in the sky. There's just some high, thin clouds that are basically doing nothing up there. As a very beautiful day, as we currently have a temperature of 77 degrees out there, and dew point very low, much lower than we had last week when it was very hot and sticky outside. We have a dew point coming in at 54 degrees, and there's only a light wind coming from the south at 3 miles per hour, so it's an absolutely gorgeous day out there right now. So if you're able to, get outside and enjoy it. And now we'll take a look at the temperatures around the rest of Pennsylvania. It's a little bit warmer down here in the southeastern portions of the state, with Philadelphia and Allentown each coming at 81 and Harrisburg at 80. But other than that, the state is pretty much entirely in the mid to upper 70s. So it's a very beautiful day across all of Pennsylvania, not just here in State College. And looking at the radar and satellite across state, there's absolutely nothing. It's just a gorgeous sunny day across the entire state. And then looking out here, that's pretty much all of the eastern seaboard. As there's a high pressure system right around here, that's just bringing in all of this nice, beautiful weather that will be sticking around for the next few days. And then we'll also be taking a look at the eye on the future and just see how long this will last. And as this entire thing runs, you'll notice there's just a couple spotty clouds that pop up. No rain at all. It is going to be very beautiful across all of Pennsylvania for the next few days. And why is that? Well, right now we have this is from the past few days from over the weekend. We had this nice dip in the jet stream that brought some relief from that heat that we had last week and that rain that we had on Saturday. And that has since moved out, pushing this ridge into our area, bringing all of this warm and beautiful weather. And it is wonderful just to be outside right now. So what are we looking at for tonight? We're going to drop down to a low of around 50 degrees. So we'll be a little bit chilly still tonight. So if you are going outside, make sure you grab a light coat at least. And it will be clear, very minimal cloud coverage at all. And then going into tomorrow, we'll have a high of around 81. And this plentiful, abundant sunshine will be continuing with, once again, just some light wind. And then looking ahead for the next few days, as we take a look, this looks more like a forecast for San Diego in the middle of summer than it does for State College in September, as we have sunshine pretty much every day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all sunshine. And then Saturday during the day, it will once again be mostly sunny, but then towards Saturday evening, there is a chance of a rain shower working its way into our area. And then after that, the sunshine returns for Sunday and then into the start of your next week. And the temperatures, too, they're almost stagnant, just in the low 80s. We have 81, 82, 83, and that will mostly just be sticking around. And then once we get into next week, things will begin to cool down a little bit, but it will still be very nice weather. And then we'll also take a quick look at your forecast for this Saturday's game against Rutgers, which is an 8 p.m. kickoff. So like I mentioned, there is that chance of showers Saturday evening that could have an impact on the game. We'll see as we get closer, so make sure you stay tuned to the Campus Weather Service for the most up-to-date forecast as we get closer to game time. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.